let's do for breakfast? Yeah, let's do that one. Wait a minute. What? I don't remember getting that. Alright, looks like we're doing an install video. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Alright. Let's get this party started. What up, Blockheads? We're doing something a little different today. We're filming from my garage today. Blockhead, he's on vacation doing some other shenanigans. So today we're filming an install video on my Road King Special. We're installing this Vance Hines FP3 tuner. The install video is brought to you today by Get Lowered Cycles, my #1 choice for performance parts and accessories. Alright, so first of all, for the touring models, you got to take this panel off here on the side. To get it off, they recommend, well, I've already tried. You got to take this saddlebag off first, right? I got my saddleman seat on here, and so it'll pop right off because the seat's a little narrower than the regular touring seats. So if you got a regular touring seat on here, you're gonna have to probably take the seat off to get the, to make it easier to get this panel off. You don't want to scuff it or anything. So I'm gonna begin with taking this this bag off here first. He's hella tight. Really love this new design. There, boom. Alright, boom, slips right off. So now we got that off. Alright, this should just pop right off. Boom. There you go. Okay, so first thing you want to do is locate the 6-pin plug. It's going to be right here. Just slide it off, boom. And then take off this little rubber dust grommet. And then there's your 6 pins right there. Now, for the touring models, it's on this side of the bike for, I believe, 2008 and up. My bike's a 2018. Before that, I think it's a 4-pin. If you bought an FP3 with a 6-pin, unfortunately it's not going to work. So this is a 6-pin plug. Right. Okay. Next, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and see what happens. All right. So what we're going to do is go ahead and plug it in. Make sure it goes in nice and smooth. You don't want to force it in. Boom, went in nice and smooth. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn the main switch to the on position and then the ignition switch to on, but not start the bike. So ignition, right, and then fuel. I'm gonna leave it on, and then the fuel pack should be flashing green, which it is. There it goes. I think it's communicating with my phone, searching for fuel pack. Now what you want to do is verify the VIN with the VIN on the bike. My last 4 numbers is 0128. So now the fuel pack is communicating and it's searching for a phone, right? Interesting here, it's pulling up the VIN from my old Dyna, my Dyna Fat Bob, as default, and it just found the new one for my Road King Special. So if this happens to you, make sure you look at the VIN and you don't marry this FP3 or try to marry this FP3 to your old bike, because then you got a paperweight. So I'm going to go ahead and do to my bike, my new bike. It's pairing, right? Please. Bluetooth pairing, VIN, Yep. Alright, so I'm going to check for updates. Okay, so there's an update. We're going to go ahead and install it now. Okay, we'll get back to you when it's done.
A few moments later.
Alright, so the download just finished. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to look up a map. Now, I'm running slip-ons and that's pretty much it. So I'm probably just going to do the tune for stock intake, stock exhaust. Or maybe I'll do some slip-ons. Let's just mess around here. Exhaust manufacturer. Of course, they don't have anything for Two Brothers. We'll do Vance Hines. And then let's see if we can find something that says high output slip-ons. with dresser duals. Alright, we'll just do this one. Boom. So it knows my bike already. It's stock 107. These are my choices for tunes. Vance Hines, high output slip-ons, standard baffle, high flow intake. Okay, all these say high flow air intake, and I don't have that, so I'm gonna have to go back and then just do the stock intake, stock exhaust. Let's see, we'll do HD. Okay, stock exhaust. My only choice is standard baffles, so I got to do that. Standard baffles, stock exhaust, or stock engine. So my choices are stock exhaust with a stock air filter, standard baffle. Okay. All right. So exhaust manufacturer, HD exhaust, baffles, standard baffles, touring engine, stock 107, cam stock, engine mod stock, air filter stock, and we're gonna go ahead and flash the tune. Yep, you might blow your bike up, blah blah blah. Keep it going. Okay, so what it's gonna do is it's gonna pull my stock tune off of the bike, save it onto the FP3 Fuelpak, and then it's gonna upload the tune that we chose into the computer. Alright, bike's making some weird noises. Okay, there we go. So it's going to back up the original tune. Oh, I think it actually goes to their servers. So if you lose your phone or whatever, or your FP3 Fuelpak, they'll have it stored with your VIN. So that's pretty cool. 20 hours later. Alright, so please turn your bike off for 15 seconds. Let's go ahead and do that. Don't be yelling at me. This is all real time right here. Turn your bike on. Bluetooth will reconnect. Alright, so it's been programmed with the FP3. Yep, it was definitely that easy. Alright. Done. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start it up, see what happens. Hey guys, hit me up. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll send stickers to... Nah. We'll cut that out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start it up and see what happens. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. So honestly, like a caveman could do it. You know what I mean? It's super simple. Before you do an intake or an exhaust, spend the money, get the tuner, get the air fuel ratios right. You don't want to hurt the engine. You know it's expensive, but that's it. Once again, thank you to Get Lowered Cycles. They are the best. Their website is easy to use. Prices are competitive with any other websites on the net. I believe if you spend $100 or more, you get a free Get Lowered t-shirt like this one. And I believe shipping is always free. Anyway, Deuces, Blockheads.
Hey,
What up, Ryan?
who's Ryan? I don't know that guy.
What's up? Why doesn't anybody want to see it? Our YouTube channel. Say hi. Hey. All right. That's Terry right there. He's the bodyguard.